What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Bambulab's PLA Basic in Pumpkin Orange. So one of the things I'm not a huge fan of when it comes to Bamboo's refillable filament is the fact that they put the sticker around the seal. Bamboo, if you are watching, please reconsider this. Y'all could put it on the side or anywhere else where you don't need a tool to open it. Be a nice plus. Anyway, as you can see, this is the orange. It does have this RFID chip, which basically works with the Bambulab's AMS or printer. It can basically tell you how much filament you have for their filament storage library, and also it can also get the things dialed in and use their profiles. But as you can see, this comes with this little sticker here for the spool. But you're going to have a refillable spool, which you can always print out. But I have some from a previous project. So what you do is you align this notch here with the one that's in the spool, which I'll show you here in a second, that notch there. And we'll get this open. And you can see this other notch right here. So we're going to go ahead and get that aligned and flush perfectly. There we go. And then we're going to basically apply some pressure with the other side and get that locked in once that occurs right about there. Yep. You can see it get locked in. Next up, we got to remove these tabs here. So there are 4 of them. It's really important to make sure that everything's aligned before you remove these, because sometimes if it's not, it'll create problems down the line. But we're going to go ahead and get these removed. Pretty simple stuff. This whole refillable process for the bamboo filament is great because it saves you a little bit of money, as we'll talk about a little bit later. Anyway, this is the pumpkin orange. We're going to go ahead and get this in the filament dryer for at least 6 hours, because here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the filament dryer, and I'll see you back here shortly for that benchy. All right, if you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy in generic filament settings in Bambulab's Bamboo Studio, in this case, generic PLA. So we're going to go ahead and get that sliced up. Should take about 45 minutes or so. And we'll send it off to the printer and get all the other test prints done. And so that way we'll start that full review. Anyway, as you can see here, we got that benchy, generic benchy. Everything looks fine, no real stringing or anything like that. Anything to write home about. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. This is print 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in spiral emboss mode. Again, looks pretty good. Edges are great. Angles are perfect. Temperature tower. The temp tower, the best one for this one was 195. That one had the least amount of stringing and no real globbing on the spike there. Next up, we have the retraction test. Retraction test performed very well. Again, no real stringing or anything like that. Max volumetric speed test. This one performed very well at 20 millimeters cubed per second. Again, without any sort of loss of quality or line skipping or anything like that. Overhang test, though, did fail right at 40 degrees. It happens, but just something to be on the lookout for if you're looking at working with this filament. Next up, we got those settings dialed in, and everything I changed is in the description down below, but everything looks good. No real major other issues beyond. Actually, no real issues there. So anyway, at time of filming, you can pick this up over at Bambulab's website for less than $13 if you buy in bulk. It's usually $20, but if you buy 10 or more, you can always get that little price. So if you're looking at stocking up on filament, that's definitely the way to go, especially if you have these spools lying around. Anyway, my overall thoughts for this one is that it's a great pumpkin color. It looks absolutely amazing, very vibrant and orangey. Anyway, that's been Bambulab's PLA Basic in pumpkin orange. Highly recommend. Anyway, if you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all those nice YouTube things, ring that bell, share with your friends, all that stuff. I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Hope to see you back here